Let's make banana pudding. This recipe makes 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need 1/2 of a banana, 1 graham cracker, a 6-ounce container of low-fat vanilla or lemon yogurt. You will also need a spoon, a knife, and a serving bowl. First, always wash your hands and surfaces before working with food. Also wash the banana because the peel may have germs on it as well. Peel and slice half the banana into the serving bowl. Crumble the graham cracker over the banana, top with the yogurt, and enjoy. Refrigerate leftovers immediately.